Hi there, I'm Francisco. I'm one of the product managers here at Glofox, and today I want to give you a quick tour of how you can customize your Amplify workflows by adding new messages to them. You can start by going to the Connect and then to the Messages tab where you will see all of Amplify's workflows, and we'll start by going into the New Leads one. All of our workflows already have a template in place that follows the industry's best practices, but we know that you may really want to customize and tailor them, so not only can you enable and disable individual messages, you can also add entirely new ones. So you can click on the Add Message button. You can then specify whether you want to add a new email, SMS, or push notification. In this example, let's go with an email, and let's send it 60 days after our leads have signed up. So this is really a cold lead. It's someone that it's been 2 months and they haven't yet signed up for that first membership, and we just want to check in on them. So maybe for our subject line, let's ask, how can we help? And I'm just pasting here a message that I've written, where basically we're just saying, hey, it's been 2 months and we noticed you haven't yet joined our community. How can we help? So you can add the message to the workflow, and you can see that it's now been added. Now we could further edit the message, and once we feel we're ready, we can activate it and then save our workflow. You would do the same for SMS or push notifications, and as you can see, we can have multiple messages of different communication types sent on the same day, so this really gives you a lot of control of how you want to engage with your customers. If you have any questions or thoughts about this capability or Amplify in general, we'd love to hear your thoughts.